In MYOB Accountright, you have more options for customizing your forms and templates. To access these options, go to Setup and select Customize Forms. This is where you can customize many of the forms used in MYOB, including paychecks, receipts, remittance advices, invoices, pay slips, and other documents that can be printed or exported as PDFs. One of the most common uses of this feature is customizing invoices to meet donor or internal requirements. For example, a donor may ask us to include specific information on an invoice. In some cases, we may also need to display different bank accounts for different projects or donors. To meet these requirements, we can create separate invoice templates for specific donors or projects. For example, we created an invoice template that displays the total in US dollars, even though the transaction is recorded in Australian dollars in the system. We also added our US dollar bank details to that template. We changed the header and other relevant information, and whenever we prepare a US dollar invoice, we simply select this customized form and use the correct US dollar bank account details. These forms are easy to adjust, so you can change the information whenever your requirements change. MYOB also provides many existing forms that can be edited and customized. Before you begin creating a form, it is helpful to sketch or plan the layout you need. This allows you to identify all the required information before opening customized forms and recreating the design in MYOB. You can also customize payslips to suit your organization's requirements. If you want to change the appearance of a payslip, you can add information such as photos, logos, and other design elements. You can add or remove fields by selecting the available data fields in MYOB. These fields allow you to retrieve information stored in the system and place it directly onto your customized form. If you have used Microsoft Word, the customization process will feel quite familiar. You can create text boxes, add shapes, insert tables, and arrange different elements on the page. You can also add watermarks, change page colors, and apply other formatting options similar to those available in Microsoft Word. When you select Print Preview, you can also adjust the orientation of the document. This allows you to choose whether the form should be displayed in portrait or landscape format. It is important to remember that MYOB Accountright provides more form customization options than MYOB Business. If you would like assistance with customizing your forms, let us know and provide us with a drawing or sample of the layout you need. We can then help you create the form in MYOB. You can also export and import customized forms as long as you have the correct file format. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.